So last weekend mga ka-Automart, meron akong ginawang medyo nakakakaba, medyo nakakatakot, no? Dinrive ko tong BYD Atto 3 full electric vehicle papunta sa Anilao, Batangas at pabalik. At medyo nakakatakot yun, no? So nagdala nga ako actually ng charger para lang sigurado. Para pagka kinapos, pwede siguro akong makisuyo, makicharge ng konti kung sakasakaling di aabot. Pero awa ng Diyos, guys, tiwala lang. Umabot naman ako 286 kilometers back and forth from Quezon City hanggang Anilao, Batangas. And meron pa akong 10% of my battery left. So kaya siguro hanggang 300 kilometers more or less ang isang full charge ng BYD Atto 3 in real world driving. So baka yung iba sa inyo nagsasabi, no? Bakit sa brochure 400 kilometers yung sinasabing kayang itakbo nito? Now, siguro kung nagtitipid talaga ako, mag-isa lang talaga ako, at talagang medyo light lang ang pag-apa ko sa pedal, baka nga umabot ako ng 400. But 300 was my real world experience with this car. Fully loaded with dive gear. Puno kami, marami kami ditong nakasakay. And hindi naman ako nagtitipid sa pag-apak sa silinyador. So, siguro kakayanin pa mga 330, 350, no? And pag talagang tinipid mo, kaya yung 400. But honestly, 300 is not bad. Range anxiety, wala na po sa akin at this point. Real world driving experience, wala akong naging problema. Napakasarap niyang i-drive. Tahimik siya, smooth naman sa kalsada. Although, syempre, hindi ko naman in-off-road, no? Pero sa startol, yung medyo malubak doon, hindi masyado naging problema yon. Pag nag-overtake ka, walang ka-problema. Power on demand talaga siya. Pag apak mo ng silinyador, sibat siya kaagad. Hindi siya medyo nag-aalangan, hindi siya nabibitin or anything, hindi kailangan magpalit ng gear, wala na siyang gear, dire-diretso na kagad. It really gives you that confidence when you want to overtake. It gives you that confidence when you need to go faster a little bit. Okay guys, so actually, ang pinaka-paborito kong feature ng BYD Atto 3 ay wala sa kotse. Nandito, pag pinindot mo tong remote start button, hintay ka ng 5 minutes, hintay ka ng 10 minutes, hindi na mainit yung kotse. So kahit na summer sa Pilipinas, kahit na 40 degrees ang nasa labas, hindi mo kailangang pagdusahan yon. Pindutin mo yung button, kain ka muna, inom ka muna ng tubig, makipag-usap, makipag-chismisan ka muna, and then pag mas malamig na yung kotse, saka ka lang papasok. Di ba? Okay, so let's talk about the interior. Honestly, ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-polarizing features nitong kotseng to. If you notice, medyo kakaiba siya. Hindi siya subtle design. It is the exact opposite of subtle. It kind of reminds me of a Mini Cooper, if you guys have ever tried riding on one of those. Medyo quirky yung design. Medyo, tignan mo to, medyo pabilog-bilog. May nagsabi lang sa akin, I think, parang they were trying to emulate a gym. So ito, mga plaka ng barbells and whatever. So medyo interesting. The colors, if you notice, they're not gray, they're not black, or they're not white. This has a very blue tinge to it, obviously. And check this out. Wala na yata ako ibang kotseng alam na merong guitar-like vibes tulad nito. So very interesting. Very interesting design. Si BYD, they were trying to make a statement, I would say, as opposed to playing it safe. So very, very nice. Hindi ka na mauubusan ng baterya dahil meron na siyang Qi charging over there. Par for the course for most new cars nowadays, but it's always good to know that this car has that feature already. Hindi mawawala, syempre. You've got, siguro, this is one of the trademarks now of BYD. Malaki talaga yung center screen niya. And here you have Android Auto, you have Apple CarPlay. So it's really very convenient while you are driving. Okay, so, and of course, the biggest benefit, I think, of this car, syempre, lalo na ngayon na mahal ang gasolina. Dati, nung pumupunta kami ng Anilao using my old car, it would cost us about 1,500 on gasoline alone. Now, even on the high side, at 286 kilometers, even on the high side of 3 piso bawat kilometro, that gets you to about 850, 860 pesos only for gasoline. So about half the price na or half the cost na of driving to Batangas yung cost ng pag-drive nitong kotseng to versus an older SUV. Okay, so obviously no car is perfect. I was very happy with this car. There are some very, very few minor niggles that I have. Number one is this little screen over here. Medyo na-weirdohan lang ako na instead of a full-on cluster over here, meron lang ako maliit na screen dito. Not a bad thing. Actually, while you're driving, you actually forget about it. It's perfect. It does the job perfectly well, to be honest. So that's one. The other thing is, paminsan-minsan, pag bagong pasok ka ng kotse, hindi kaagad nagko-connect yung Android Auto mo. So, magsisimula ka sa radyo. So, sometimes you have to manually turn on Android Auto. I don't know why. I've also driven a BYD Sea Lion 6 and wala siyang ganong problema. For some reason, ito 50-50 kung magko-connect or hindi once you get into the car. Yun lang naman actually. Overall, very happy with this car. The driving experience was nice. The amount of money that you save while driving at long distances is good. As long as you calculate your route properly and you don't obviously exceed the limitations of the car. I mean, huwag ka naman pumunta ng Ilocos and ine-expect mo na hindi ka magcha-charge ever, no? But within those things, honestly, it's a very, very nice car. And the good news, mga ka-Automart, this car is available at automart.ph. Hanapin nyo lang, use the search function, BYD Atto 3, makikita nyo itong kotseng to. Right now, it is on live bidding. What is live bidding? Live bidding simply means na alam mo kagad kung ikaw yung nananalo or hindi. Why is that a good thing? It means na hindi mo kailangan mag-overpay. It means na kung wala ka namang kalaban, hindi mo kailangan mag-bid ng mataas. Pwedeng mag-bid ka lang ng minimum, bid ka lang ng konti, mas mataas ng konti, para ikaw lang yung parating mas mataas kesa sa kalaban mo up until matapos yung auction. Kung wala kang kalaban, you get this at the lowest possible price. It is at a significant discount versus brand new. Especially ngayon, nakatataas lang ng presyo ng BYD across the board. Kami po, hindi kami nagtaas ng presyo. In fact, nagbaba pa po kami ng presyo. So, kunin nyo na po itong BYD Atto 3 na ito. Ito ay available sa Santolan, Pasig. Malapit lang po kami sa LRT2 station ng Santolan. Along Marcos Highway. Kung kailangan ninyo kaming tawagan, 0927-887-6400. Set kayo ng appointment. Pwede nyong i-test drive yung kotse para malaman ninyo kung ano yung ibig kong sabihin at para malaman ninyo na totoo lahat ng sinabi ko. Okay na okay talaga tong kotse ito. Maraming salamat mga ka-Automart.